you guys. I got 8 crates of apricot for morning, all on my tail. Now whoever goes the longest without burping gets the last piece of pie in the branch. Okay, here we go. How's everybody doing? Good so far. Alright, nothing yet. Cool, Now, I don't know why you guys had me in that pie already, but it has some tasty, has for me a big salad. Ooh, one down. I know somebody won't be happy. I'm sorry, feel funny. Might feel fine. I'm just gonna, no boy, that means I win. I get to eat, oh God, why did anybody tell you? Oh my God, my insides are on fire. No, please, no more. Jimmy, I'm scared. Get the phone. Call my mom. Lois, get in here. Okay. I think it's all gone. I think. I don't want this. Jimmy, you know, use your homemade ears for.
Who wants chowder?